Fopurs 134-piece cake decorating supplies kit. This set can be used by beginners and experts alike. The Fopurs 134-piece decorating supplies kit has everything you might need when decorating your cake, with 52 well-numbered icing tips made from stainless steel, 50 extra thick disposable pastry bags, 12 pieces of icing tip ties, 3 couplers, 3 cake scrapers, 3 icing spatulas, 2 flour nails, a cake turntable, a reusable silicone pastry bag, a flour lifter, a silicone cake pan, a fondant smoother, a cake leveler, and a cleaning brush. The icing tips can be stored in a plastic box that comes with the set. Each one of these tips poses a laser number. You can easily check the chart to identify what flower design it can create. Using only food-grade materials, the tips are made from stainless steel. The turntable is made of long-lasting plastic, which is free of BPAs. Cleaning is not a challenge because all the tools are machine-washable.